Hello everyone. We will come to know about the chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind. This chapter is about Albert Einstein, a great scientist and a genius person, means exceptionally intelligent person. The title refers to him only, A Truly Beautiful Mind. Here in this chapter, a short biography is given of Albert Einstein, and his those qualities are being highlighted which are commonly not known to the people. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in the Germany city of Ulm. After his birth, when he started growing up, his mother observed in him those things which made her consider him a freak. Freak means abnormal person. His head seemed to be very large than normal. He did not speak until the age of 2.5, and when he started speaking, he uttered everything twice. He found it difficult to interact with children of his age, as he did not know what to do with them. He was not like all other children. It seemed as if he had less intelligence in comparison to other children. He loved mechanical toys and preferred to remain to himself all the time. Even the headmaster of the school told his father that he would never be successful in whatever profession he chose. He loved to play violin as a hobby, not a profession. He went to high school in Munich and left the school at the age of 15 because of feeling suffocated. His parents had moved to Milan and left him in Munich with relatives. He got to continue his education in a city much more liberal than Munich. He was interested in physics and was highly gifted in mathematics. He studied at a university in Zurich. Now let's come to his personal life and works. Albert fell in love with Mileva Maric, whom he thought was a clever creature. At the age of 21, he was a university graduate, but unemployed. He worked as a teaching assistant and gave private lessons. He secured a job in 1902 as a technical expert in Bern. In 1905, one of the famous papers was Einstein's special theory of relativity, according to which time and distance are not absolute. He also derived the world's most famous formulae that describe the relationship between mass and energy, that is, E equals to mc square. Einstein wanted to marry Mileva after finishing his studies, but his mother did not approve of it, as she thought Mileva was too old for him and was a book, just like he was. Means they both were similar. They finally got married in January 1903 and had 2 sons. Unfortunately, they divorced in the year 1919. Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. In 1915, he had published his general theory of relativity. An eclipse of the sun in 1919 proved that it was accurate. He had correctly calculated the extent to which the light from fixed stars would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field in advance. His work was considered a scientific revolution. Later life and his some quotes. He wrote a letter to American President on 2nd August 1939 warning him about the happenings and the bombs the Nazis had planned to use. He wrote an open letter to the UN proposing the formation of a world government, but it made no impact. He died in 1955 at the age of 76. He was known and celebrated as a visionary and world citizen as much as a scientific genius. This is all about the description of the chapter. Thank you.